Please, quiet for a while, I would appreciate. Mr. Rahul Gandhi, dignitaries on the dais, members of the Indian Overseas Congress, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It is my proud privilege to bring to you Mr. Rahul Gandhi to Dallas. I would like to take little more than 2 minutes, if you allow me. One, I want to tell you a little bit about Indian Overseas Congress. Two, I want to spend 2 minutes on Texas and Dallas, and then want to spend few minutes on our leader, Rahul Gandhi. Indian Overseas Congress is part of the Indian National Congress, looking after all of the global party initiatives. We are in 32 countries, and our job is to get people to understand what our party stands for, what we believe in, and align forces of all kinds of democratic initiatives. We have been at this for a while. Now we are in 32 countries, and our job is to increase our membership, improve our events and activities, and get more people working towards protecting our democracy. Democracy is not that simple. I've just written a book on the idea of democracy. Democracy requires work from large number of people like us. We can't take it for granted, because there are people who are focused on hijacking democracy. We have seen it in many countries. I was born in British Raj in 1942. At the time of independence, there was this fervor about independence movement. And the leaders like Gandhi, Nehru, Maulana Azad, Sardar Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose were very clear of the kind of nation they wanted to build. Everyone understood what freedom meant and the opportunities free India would create. Going to school in early 50s, Gandhian thoughts were the core of our learning. Again, inclusion, diversity, these were not just the words. This is what we lived by. And when I begin to see changes in our society which attack the basic fabric, I worry about it. So the idea behind Indian Overseas Congress is to make sure that we respect our people, irrespective of the race, religion, language, state. We create same opportunities for everybody. We provide dignity to labor. And these are the issues that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is championing. And that makes me very happy. I want you all to help us in our journey. I want you to join Indian Overseas Congress, improve quality of our activities, quantity of our members, bring in more diverse group of people. For example, we don't have enough women. We want to encourage, but we don't find them working with us. So please help us. That's my appeal to all of you. help us in building better IOC. To Texas. When Rahul Gandhi was here last time, visiting US, at a major meeting in New York, like this, there was a demand from him or for him to come to Dallas. And he promised them that during my next trip, I will come to Dallas. And he is keeping his promise. He walks the talk. And I'm delighted that from his busy schedule, he could take 3 days off to come visit US, where he's spending a day here and 2 days in Washington, D.C. Our earlier plan was to also go to LA and Chicago, but we selected Dallas. My association with Dallas goes a long way. And I can tell you, the community in Dallas, Indian community, has really changed from a very small number to almost 350,000 in Texas and Dallas. An Indian community is very vibrant, very successful. Today we spoke at the University of Texas, and there were almost 400 students. So we are delighted to focus on Texas and Dallas as our main program for Indian Overseas Congress. I have known Mr. Rahul Gandhi for a long, long time. I worked for his father, Rajiv Gandhi, and Rajiv Gandhi was the one who connected Texas Instruments to Satellite Link to develop software. Many of you may not know this, but that was the first satellite link ever to connect any company outside of India to develop software. Then we had zero software export. We had 2 million telephone lines in the entire country. Rajiv Gandhi pushed and provided political will for the IT and telecom revolution. Today, because of the seeds he planted, we have 1.5 billion phones, and we generate $200 billion worth of software export every year, year after year. Rahul Gandhi has a different agenda. His agenda is more focused on something that we have been trying to address for a long time, but have not been able to quite address well, and that is inclusion, celebration of diversity. Lot of people from Dallas came to me. Ambedkar people came, Dalits came to me, Muslims came to me, Christians came to me, hoping that we will all work together. And Mr. Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi's agenda is to really address some of these larger issues. He has a vision, contrary to what BJP promotes by spending crores and crores of rupees. I must tell you, he is no papu. He is highly educated. He is well read. He is a strategist with deep thinking on any subject. And sometimes it is not very easy to understand him. Thank you. And I'm delighted that you are all here today to listen to him. Thank you for giving me time. And I'm proud to present to you Mr. Rahul Gandhi.